So you have this photo, like you took this photo and it's colorful and you want to turn it into black and white. Then you've come to right place. In this video, I'm going to show you how to turn your photo into black and white. So it's simple and all you have to do is follow along. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. Let's go into the app itself. Let's go to the Pixlr, and here let's go to the tools, and you can see adjustment option over here. Let's tap into that, and all you have to do is go to your temperature. It doesn't make that much difference, but let's keep it more into the cooler tone, and let's increase the contrast and about the brightness. Yeah, and just keep it like that. And here it's a vibrancy, so this can leave a huge impact. Like if you go to the minus, then you can see what it's doing. Like there's no vibrancy. Let's reduce color in some way, so let's keep it all the way down. And here in the highlights, it doesn't make that much of difference, so you can leave it. Here in the shadow, this is also like, so here is the main important part, which is saturation. So this plays a huge role in how your photo will be looking like. So if you go all the way down, then can you see it's already brought a lot of changes in the photo. So let's go all the way down. And the lightness also, like I want to make it more like darker, so let's do minus. So can you see? So this is how you turn your photo into black and white. You can also adjust decrease the exposure to make it more like into more black and white photo. So this is how you turn your photo into black and white. If you want to see before, then you can tap in here. See how it was so colorful before and now it's black and white. So I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.